How to learn simple English at home. I can't believe how hot is it. That means it will get hotter. It's not even noon yet. I am dying from the heat. Turn on the AC. What happened? It doesn't work. I don't know. Of course. When is he coming? Did you call the repairman? He is busy. He said next week. Then they also should not tell us if the robber is male or female because that is sexist. Don't ask me. The TV news does not tell us the race anymore. But how can we identify someone if we don't know this race? Of course not. That would be racist. They didn't say. What race is he? Do they know what the robber looks like? Yes, he is 6 feet tall, 200 pounds, black hairs, and about 30 years old. How do you know? The police need our help finding a robber. The TV news is reporting a bank robbery. I am worried. Worried about what? Except we can't afford it. No wonder you are worried. Are you going to start a family? Yes, we want to have a little boy and a little girl. I am worried. Worried about what? I am getting married. You should be happy, not worried. I am happy, but marriage is a lot of responsibility. Yes, you have to care of your wife, and I have to take care of our children. Beer is a powerful drug, so are cigarettes. Which would you prefer? What do you mean? When you die and go to heaven, they will offer you beer or cigarette. I could pick only one or the other. Yes, nothing's perfect, not even in heaven. Boy, that's a tough one. What's so tough about it? Of course, I would pick cigarettes, but cigarettes taste much better when you have a cold beer. Well, you can't have everything. I don't think I want to go to your heaven. I think most jokes are about women. Oh, really? I think most jokes are about men. Of course, I people everywhere like good jokes. What do you think people joke about the most? Yes, just in English alone. I wonder if every language has jokes. Yes, just in English alone. Who knows, but there must be 100 new ones every day. Who makes up all these jokes? They go in one ear and out the other. Neither can I. I can't remember jokes. Do you know any good jokes? Because if you are super smart, no one understands what you are saying. It must be very lonely. Why is that? Don't you ever wonder what it's like to be super smart? What do you mean? If you are going to make a wish that you were really rich or famous. Don't be ridiculous. I wish I was really smart. No, I never did. All I know is that I got A's and B's in school. Did you ever take an IQ test? How smart are you? I don't know. I think I'm average. What are you getting off your mom? What are you talking about? Monday is Father's Day. This Monday. Of course. It's all over the news. I thought it was next Monday. Well, you had better get her something. I'll get him a nice card. Is that it? Yes, that's all I ever give her. He raised you, and you all over give him is a card. It's okay. He knows that I love him. We figure our kids can visit us whenever they go to the beach. That's true. Children seldom visit their parents in a meeting. Yes, but it will be in meeting where your children can visit you. You are not going to be buried. Oh no, are you going to be buried next to each other? My wife and I will be very conscious. I mean, are you going to get buried? Well, mostly I'll try to avoid it. What are you going to do about your death? Next time I will be more careful. Don't you want me to clean up the mud? Okay, I'll get the vacuum cleaner. Look at the bottom of my shoes. They are clean. I don't know. It's not my mud. Yes, of course, I wiped my feet. Did you wipe your feet? Then why is there mud on the carpet? Well, someone brought it into the house. Of course, they are clean. You left all the mud on the carpet. Don't vacuum it now. Wait till it dries. It will be easier to vacuum.